Wahoo! Well, it's been a month and I've got some winners to announce. And the very first winner I want to announce is me! I entered the Rausch Woodworks 5K giveaway and I won a prize. And so I want to thank Jason over there at Rausch, and I'll leave a link to his channel below. And here's the prize. I know it's from MicroJig, but I have no idea what it is. So you guys get to watch me open it. And it is a MicroJig gripper. That's awesome. And they even sent me a sticker for the sticker wall, so I'll be putting that up there. Thank you to Jason Rausch, and thank you to MicroJig for this awesome prize. So now we'll go over to the YouTube random comment picker. We'll load in the URL of the Win This Vise video. Let the website count how many unique commenters there were, and it looks like there were 97. And then we'll tell it to pick a winner. And the winner is Crazy Craig's RCs and 3D. So congratulations, Crazy Craig's RCs and 3D. You may want to think about shortening that name a little bit. I'll reply to your comment here in just a few minutes, and you should receive a notification that I did. Just send me a private message with your address and I'll get your advice right out to you. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone for participating in this giveaway. I can't tell you how much I appreciate the support of my viewers here on YouTube and the people who patronize my fabrication shop. So thank you all very much. And that's all for this time. Click up here to see the Win This Vise video in case you didn't win. Better luck next time. And click over here to see something of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. Have a good one.